And now your WZDX Pinpoint Weather with meteorologist Emily Owen.
Well, it was a beautiful Saturday all across the Tennessee Valley. We saw plenty of sunshine, but unfortunately we only made it into the mid to upper 50s today, so it was still pretty chilly out there, especially once the sun went down. Good news is we did stay dry. Let's go ahead and jump out to our graphics. I want to show you guys that not only did we stay dry throughout the entire day today, our radar remains clear, and it looks like we are going to remain dry heading into the overnight tonight. Speaking of tonight, expect temperatures to drop into the lower 30s. We could see areas of patchy fog out there and partly cloudy skies. Notice those winds going to be remaining calm. So all in all, it is going to be a very quiet night across the Tennessee Valley. Temperatures right now, we're sitting at 34 degrees in Huntsville, 38 in Florence, 33 in Coleman. Fort Payne and Pulaski both sitting right at that freezing mark of 32. Scottsboro and Abertville, along with Arab, sitting at 36 degrees. Now, we will be waking up still in the mid-30s. I'm expecting us to be right around 35 waking up for the morning. We'll see partly sunny skies. Tomorrow, we'll see a few more clouds hanging around, but we will be staying dry for your Sunday. 54 for our afternoon high temperature, and once the sun goes down, temperatures will be dropping. We'll be in the lower 40s by the time we get into that evening hour. Notice our futurecast, though. This starts tomorrow around noon. Notice we've got winds coming out of the west and the south, so that's helping us stay on the warmer side, and by warmer I mean we are seeing a little above average temperature wise. But notice once we get into Monday and Tuesday, that trough is going to dig down deeper into the Tennessee Valley, shifting our winds to be coming out of the north, and temperatures are going to get pretty cold on Monday and Tuesday. But the only good news about us staying cold is that we're not going to really be seeing any rainfall with this. That high pressure system that's off to the west, that's going to be helping to keep us dry for the next couple of days here. So rain chances for the next 7 days, looks like we're going to be dry all the way through Thursday, and then we've got a small system that's going to be moving through in the afternoon and evening hours on Friday, and will still linger around for the afternoon on Saturday, which is why I've upped our rain chances to 40% for your Saturday. Have a good look at the next 7 days. Once again, we're going to be hanging out in the lower 50s for tomorrow and Monday. Monday we'll see mostly sunshine. Notice that Tuesday we're going to be seeing a pretty chilly day, only making it to 48. And by the time we get into your Friday and your Saturday, notice we do have a chance to see a few isolated showers out there. Mike?